This week we are learning about place value. We are learning what each digit in a number means. Let's look. Here I see 1 10 and 1 1. 1 10 and 1 1. Let's see what number that makes. 11. That makes the number 11. 1 10 and 1 1. The 10 is on the left, the 1 is on the right. What is this number? How many 10s do you see? Count with me. 1, 2, 3. How many 1s do you see? Count with me. 1, 2, 3. 3 1s. I see 3 10s and 3 1s. That makes the number 33. 3 10s and 3 1s. We're going to try the next one, and you're going to try it on your own. Let's look at the 10s. How many 10s do you see? How many 1s do you see? What number does it make? 56. Did you get that? Well done if you did. Let's try the next one. How many 10s do you see? How many 1s do you see? What number does this make? 84. 8 10s and 4 1s. 84. 8 10s and 4 1s. Try the next one. Count the 10s. Count the 1s. What numbers does this make? Let's see. 95. Did you get that? 95. 9 10s and 5 1s. What number is this? 88. Did you get that? 8 10s and 8 1s. 88. What is this number? 99. Did you get that? 99. Let's try one more. What is this number? 27. There are 2 10s and 7 1s. Well done.